My name is Mubarak Mohammed and I am the Packhouse Manager at Family Tree Farms. At Family Tree Farms, we are packing strawberries, raspberries, blackberries and blueberries for the majority of the UK retailers and wholesale. The MiWeigh system has been installed about a year and a half ago, and it has been absolutely brilliant in terms of saving a lot of time, the easy use of the system, and also the giveaway, which is the major and the main reason for having this system, and it's going really well. The best thing that we're finding about the MiWeigh scale is the traffic light system, which it allows the operators to quickly judge and see what the weight is on the line, and it allows them to go at high speed. It helps massively in terms of the packs per minute, and this has improved a lot since we started. It's really easy to set up the MiWeigh system when it comes to recipes, especially when it comes to average weight for T1 and T2. You just press calculate and it calculates all the percentage for you. Also, once you enter the numbers of units that's required for the batch, and the number of operators on the lines, then at the end of every batch you get a report that's sent to the email and also to the system itself. Once the report comes to the email, one of the best things about it is there's a lot of details, and one of the major retailers in the UK was asking to modify one of the results that we had from the MiWeigh system, which we did, and they were really impressed with the amount of information that we get on the report. One of the best things about the MiWeigh system, it's linked to the checkweigher, and it's very simple and easy to use. So once you select the recipe from the MiWeigh system, it allows you to connect all the information to the checkweigher, and at the end of every batch you get two reports, one from the MiWeigh system and the second one from the checkweigher itself. It's been 18 months now since we installed the line. PA done a great job with the amount of space that was provided. They supplied the whole line, and the after sales has been absolutely brilliant. The sales team been fantastic and they are very responsive, done a fantastic job in advising and also in attending on site at a very quick time. I've been in the fresh produce industry for over 21 years and I have never ever experienced such a good service with PA. I highly recommend PA.